Hi, my name is Pablo Requena. I am a guitar maker and I have been making guitars for more than 20 years now. Also, I've been teaching many people from all over the world how to build their own instruments in courses that I have been running here in Spain and also back in the UK when I used to live there. One of the things that I really enjoy about making guitars is the transformation process from the raw materials all the way through to the end where you get an instrument as beautiful as this one that you have created yourself. Also, that's something that my students tell me, the satisfaction that they get from being able to create with their own hands an instrument that they're going to enjoy themselves. So imagine what it feels like if you were able to build your own guitar and play your own guitar. It's just an amazing feeling. So apart from the courses that I teach here in Spain, I've been working for some time to put together this course, which you can purchase online. And in this course, you will find that there is a very clear guide with very clear steps so that you can go through the complete process to be able to build your own guitar in your own workshop on your own time. And you will see that there's no step missing and the whole process is very clear laid down in front of you. And what you will find is that you will start from selecting the raw materials all the way through to the point where you have your guitar completely built, you put the strings on, and when you plug one of the strings and you get the first sound, wow, it's just amazing. So if you think you're interested and this is a course for you, all you need to do is to click on the ad and have a look.